Hi, I'm Ujjwal and this is my submission for the Databricks Free Edition Hackathon. So, every day car dealers leave millions on the table because they can't analyze market data fast enough. Now, imagine having an AI assistant that analyzes 20,000 cars instantly and tells you exactly which one will generate the highest profit when flipped. So, to address it, I've built FlipFinder Pro, a system that uses ML to find profitable cars to flip. In the demo, I'll show you how it identifies a 23,000 profit opportunity in under 5 seconds. For this project, I chose a dataset from Kaggle that has 3 million used cars data and got like 66 columns. We don't need all that for the project, so I chose a 20K sample from it to train and test the ML model. So in Databricks, we first upload the dataset into a notebook. And by the way, the notebook has the complete pipeline from data ingestion, feature engineering to training multiple ML models, ultimately achieving 90% accuracy in predicting car values. Okay, we load the 20,000 car records and then we import all the libraries, data processing tools, and visualization packages. Next, we analyze the data and pick columns that we need the most and transform them into features. We engineer these features to train our models. Then we calculate the market value for each vehicle, which is to identify undervalued vehicles. We then remove outliers, fill missing values, and create test and train slips. Then we train 3 models and see one has got the best accuracy. And the gradient boosting turns out to be the better fit than the other 2. Now, this section, the flip score calculation, is basically credit score for car flipping. It combines profit potential, market demand, vehicle condition, and sales velocity all into one number. Then we try to find even better deals, the hidden gems of the lot. For that, we use isolation forest algorithm, which identifies statistical outliers, basically finding underpriced vehicles. So while main models find the good deals, our anomaly detection finds the exceptional ones. We'll now go to the dashboard. Let's start with the main KPIs. Total vehicles analyzed, where we are analyzing nearly 20,000 vehicles in real time, giving us statistical significant insights that individual dealers could never achieve manually. And it provides context for all other metrics. Average flip score tells you how good a car is for flipping. With an average flip score of 82, we can see that while profitable opportunities exist, they require smart selection. That's where our models comes in. And for the score, we combine how much profit you will make, which is the biggest factor, how quick it will sell, the car's condition like age and mileage, market demand for the model. This is also a quick market health indicator because higher averages mean better overall market conditions. Average also helps identify when market conditions change. We can also track this metric over time for trends. Total profit opportunity shows the total revenue in the market and it demonstrates the ROI potential of using that system. Hot deals count. Number of vehicles with flip score greater than 80. These are the must-buy opportunities and should be purchased immediately. As they typically sell 3 times faster than average and generate 2 times higher profit margins. Top 20 leaderboard. This leaderboard ranks the best opportunities and is an immediate action list for buyers. Risk distribution pie chart. This breaks down our inventory by risk level. This helps dealers balance their portfolio and shows market risk profile. Top manufacturers. Brands that offer the best flipping opportunities and reveals brand reliability for resale. Days on market. This shows how quickly car sells based on their risk level and identifies quick flip opportunities. Profit distribution. This shows how profits are distributed across all vehicles. Profit versus score scatter plot. Each dot here is a car and profit increases from left to right and flip score increases from bottom to top. They are color coded by risk level and higher scores are consistently have higher profits. This proves our model correctly identifies opportunities. Hidden gems. Cars that are priced way below their actual market value and they are undervalued by 30% or more. It's for finding pricing mistakes. Scenarios where sellers don't know the true value or might be in an urgent sale or could be a pricing error or a first time seller's mistake. For example, if a car should sell for 20,000 and it's listed for 15,000, it's undervalued by 5,000, which is 33%. So this graph shows us the biggest percentage gap between price and value. In short, this system analyzes 20,000 vehicles, achieves 90% accuracy and identifies 20 million in opportunities.